Namo Buddhaya. So far we have discussed two aspects of mundane right view. Today we are going to learn about the third aspect, which is the knowing the fact there are good karmas of service. The easiest way that we can practice service is by our own selves. We can try to help our community and neighborhood by helping them to keep the neighboring place very neat and tidy. As an example, if the road is damaged somewhere on the way to your place, you can try to fix that road. We don't have to wait for the government to do that. Either side of the roads you can clean. We don't have to wait for the government to do that also. So likewise, you can try to help the community and practice the service. Another way is joining to a charity service or community service, and you can try to clean the roads, clean temples, helping others in disasters. Likewise, you can practice the service. However, it is obvious that not all of us have the chance to do those charity services or to help in the community services. But what we can do is, we can develop our mind to think in such a way that we are doing a service even at our working place. We can go extra mile than what is our normal job, thinking that we are doing a service. For example, if you are a doctor, you can go beyond your job responsibilities and help and take care of your patients, thinking that you are doing a service. And if you are working for the government, of course you are doing a good community service and service for the country. So do your job the best way possible. So likewise, you can practice the service in your life. End of the day, you can be a very happy person in this way. So please practice service in your life. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.